habang tumatanda ako, paaga ng paaga yung favorite time of my day. So, si Coach Chris naman po, drinks moderately, pero pag party-party, I can really party hard. Parang may mga seniors na dumadayo dito, they do their Zumba. People watch with me, Practicalers, and hopefully you can like feel the vibe that I'm feeling. Hey there, Practicalers. It's your Practical Life Coach, Coach Kristan, and welcome to another Practical Coaching episode. So, again, we're here in Auro, enjoying the good chocolate that they have here. So, it's not sponsored po, but I want us to support local. Auro is award-winning when it comes to their chocolates. So, let's support it. It's really good, especially their Davao chocolate hot drink. Anyways, so for this episode, we're gonna talk about enjoying your favorite time of the day. Ako po, I'll be honest, now that I'm 47, my favorite time of the day is morning time. Pero for my friends who know me way back when I was younger, of course, when you're younger, party thing ang gusto natin. So most likely, what we enjoy is nighttime. And that's what I enjoyed before. I enjoy the nightlife. No? When I was in my teen years, up to, I think, late 20s or even up to early 30s. But I think habang tumatanda ako, paaga ng paaga yung favorite time of my day. So when I reach mid-30s to, I guess, early 40s, what I enjoyed naman was happy hour. No? Kasi, again, for those who know me personally, I'm a beer drinker. But, of course, I would always remind you, drink moderately. No? So, si Coach Chris naman po, drinks moderately, pero pag party-party, I can really party hard. No? But I enjoy the vibe of when I was in my late 30s to early 40s. I enjoy the vibe naman nung happy hour. So, happy hour is usually from 3 up to 5. Or probably some establishments would have it up to 7 or 9 p.m. Pero ako, I like the vibe of like chilling in the afternoon when you have when you're done with work earlier, you chill in the afternoon, you unwind, you drink a couple of beers, and then parang ang sarap lang to chill ng late afternoon or afternoon time. You're unwinding already. And again, as you know me, I love people watching. Basta I was so in love with that vibe. And I have to say that there are still days that I like that vibe, no? But when I reached probably mid-40s, up to now that I'm almost 50, 3 years to go and I'm almost 50, parang mas umaga na naman yung gusto kong time of the day, which is now morning time. So I don't know what's with morning time, and especially in our community, the vibe is so great. Parang you see a lot of people doing their daily exercise, whether they're running, they're doing yoga, and for the seniors, parang may mga seniors na dumadayo dito, they do their Zumba. And then some people do badminton, biking. Some do their gym routine here at the park. So, and then you feel the rush also of those professionals who's like off to work, no? So parang, basta ang ganda lang nung energy, ang ganda lang nung vibe. It makes me feel na parang I'm so motivated to start the day. And para naman hindi po kayo nasasawa sa aking mukha, no? So, I'll pan the camera so you can see my view and see siguro I hope that through the camera, you can like see the vibe that I'm talking about. So, people watch with me, Practicalers, And hopefully you can like feel the vibe that I'm feeling this morning. So when we talk about enjoying the favorite time of the day, I'm not saying that you should be like me. Na you have to be a morning person. No, because to each his own. No, some people would want to be party people and enjoy the nightlife. Some people would enjoy lunchtime. Some people would probably enjoy afternoon. But what's important is you enjoy that time of the day. Bakit po importante that we enjoy that time of the day? Because it's good for our soul. Some people would always just focus on enjoying the things that you like doing, activities that you like doing, things that you like consuming, whether it's sockmed, food, drinks, coffee. But sa totoo lang po, enjoying is not just about experiences, things, places. It can also be the time of the day. And it's very good for the soul. So, I encourage you that in the 24 hours of the day, if you feel that day that you wanna like really parang in a way internalize the vibe, the energy of the afternoon. If you're an afternoon person, go ahead. Take a walk po in your community or hang out in your favorite cafe. Kung kulang sa budget, go to your favorite park or plaza. Hang out, diba? Uh, Soak in the energy of that favorite time of the day. And you don't have to always be consistent. Ako po, practicalers ka. I was telling you a while ago that there are days that I still love to do happy hour, no? There are days, especially when I'm with my friends, I enjoy really like partying or hanging out with them till like early in the morning till 4 a.m. No, but of course I don't do that often as compared when I was younger. But I still do it. And the good thing about it, it's like food for your soul po. It makes you feel good. It gives you that kind of parang happy hormones, if you may call it. And it's like drinking the best drink or your favorite go-to drink. It's like having your best comfort food. It's just like hanging out with the friends that you really miss. So, yun po yung nabibigay nung when you enjoy your favorite time of the day. And of course, when you're enjoying the favorite time of your day, it can also be a good avenue for you to like, in a way, I'm not gonna say meditate, but in a way, if you had a hard day or if you're having a difficult couple of days, it can be a breather. That can be a breather for you to like stop, take a break, just be in the present moment, and in a way try to recover from all the stress, all the pressure that you're feeling. So it can also be a good therapy, no? Parang we're hitting several birds with one stone. It's a good food for the soul, it's a good breather, it's a good outlet. It can be therapeutic at the same time, no? So that's another benefit of your enjoying your favorite time of the day. And another thing that probably can parang be a benefit if you're enjoying your favorite time of the day, this can also be an activity for you to like parang divert your attention. Because, for example, your favorite time of the day is after lunch. And you're having a difficult day at work. So after lunch, you decide to like grab a cup of coffee. So apart from you're taking a breather from that difficult day, you're also enjoying something that you like, which is a cup of coffee, no? So, sobrang doble-doble na po yung good vibes, yung good energy na nakukuha nyo doon, no? So, that's another thing. Like, for me, I enjoy morning time. And just like what you're doing with me right now, one of the things that I love doing is people watching. And for me, apart from enjoying the time of the day, I get to do another activity, which is to people watch. And people watch, in a way, for me, is therapeutic. So, third advantage ko na po yun. It's therapeutic, makes me parang divert my attention, take a breather from all the stress or the things that I'm facing, challenges that I'm facing. And in a way, it clears my mind. And it makes me energized for me to face other challenges and to address what's really going on in that particular moment. So, pwede rin pong mangyari sa inyo yun. Because if you enjoy after lunch and then you're drinking a cup of coffee, it might also help clear your mind. And when you go back to the office, you're more productive because you just have an energy boost, not only from the caffeine, but more importantly, because you were able to like parang take a breather, clear your mind, and things are better now because you can think straight. And happy pa siguro si boss because, di ba, at the end of the day, mas productive ka na. Di ba? So, I hope that in this very simple content about enjoying the time of the day that's your favorite, it in a way enlighten you, practicalers, of another activity that you can do to feed your soul, to make yourself healthy, emotionally, mentally, and probably even spiritually. So this is your practical life coach, Coach Kristan. If you want to win in life, which I want you to win in life, don't hesitate to avail of my online life coaching sessions. For those who are interested, you can DM me in my SOCMED. For FB and IG, it's Practical Coaching by Kristan. And for TikTok, YouTube, and X, it's at Coach Kristan. Syempre naman po, Practicalers, I would appreciate if you can also like, share, and subscribe to my software. So, ililink din po natin yan dyan. This is your Practical Life Coach, Coach Kristan. Always reminding you, dream big, live passionately, pray hard. See you around, Practicalers!